How to fix a login error on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this message, sorry something went wrong on Instagram, here are some possible problems as well as the solutions. First and foremost, you have to check your Instagram server status. Sometimes Instagram server may be down causing login issues. If it is down, you might need to wait for the issue to be resolved on the end. Next step would be to restart your Instagram completely. Sometimes you just have to reopen it by opening recent applications, swiping off the Instagram, and then opening it again. For the third solution, go to the app info of Instagram. Tap on clear Instagram cache and open it again. Also, make sure to update the Instagram to its latest version. You can even try to switch between different networks from mobile to data to Wi Fi and vice versa. You can even use Instagram on browser and check if the issue is with app or the Instagram itself. And above all, you need to make sure you check the date and time settings. Ensure that your device date and time settings are correct, as incorrect settings can cause issues with loggings. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.